Welcome students. We are going to study classification of account today under the traditional approach of double entry system. Now, before moving to the classification of account, let us see first what is the meaning of an account. Account is nothing but it is a summarized record of a particular head, like any individual, any organization, any institution, any expenses, any income. So because of an account, we get a summarized record of all transaction related to a particular head at one place. Like here we can see we are having salary account, machinery account and Akash account, where in salary account we can get the detail of all the salary together at one place. Now let us move ahead with the classification of an account. Now, classification of account has been classified basically into two categories. The first one is known as an personal account, whereas the second one is known as an impersonal account. Personal account, we will see the meaning later on. Let us first see the classification. Personal account is further classified into three. The first one is natural person, second one is artificial person, and third one is your representative personal. Whereas your impersonal account is classified into two. First one is real and second one is nominal. So if I shortly say that there are basically three types of an account: personal, real and nominal. Now these are the further basic defined classification of each part. Here we can also see that the real account is classified into two. One is tangible real, whereas second one is intangible real. Again, when we move to the nominal account, we are having one as an expenses and losses, whereas second one we have income and gain. Now let us see all in detail one by one. Now first one, as I have told you, personal account, it is an account related to any particular individual. So here in personal account we are having the detail of all an individual, where the first one is natural person, where it is nothing but a human being like you and me, whose account we are going to have. We can see the example Sujay, Vijay, etc. You can also have your own account here. Now second one is artificial personal account. It is generally basic any organization, institution to which it is representing. Okay, so here we can have Bank of India, Rotary Club and all. Now the last one is your representative personal account, which is representing any particular individual to whom the amount has to be payable yet. So here we are having an account relating to outstanding and prepaid items. We can see the examples as outstanding rent, prepaid wages, etc. Now let us move to the next one, which is called as a real account. Real account is nothing but an account related to any property or an assets belonging of an organization. Okay. Here we can see two types of real account. First, tangible real account. Tangible assets, properties, basically which we can see, felt, seen, touch, are called as an tangible real account, like machinery, furniture, or we can also say as building, computer, which we can touch, we can feel, or we can also see, is called as a tangible real account. The second one is intangible real account, which cannot be seen, felt, but definitely it is having some value which is adding to the organization, like goodwill, trademark, etc. Now let us move on to the last one, which is called as a nominal account. It is an account, as I have told you earlier, which is representing any expenses, losses, income or gain. So examples are your stationery, salary, commission received, etc. So overall, we have seen three types of an account: personal account, real account and nominal account. Thank you.